bad for these shoes, but I think I feel bad for whoever's cleaning them.
How's it going? Mr. Reshoevn8r back with another cleaning video. Today we'll be cleaning these Air Force One Travis Scotts that are completely, they're basically ruined. Let's hope we can bring it back with our trusty ultimate kit that we have here. You can find it on Reshoevn8r.com. Before I get into this cleaning though, I'm gonna go ahead and take these outside, try to get all this excess dirt off. That way we don't create a big puddle, and let's do it. All right, so we're back inside the studio after knocking all the excess dirt off this shoe. It's gonna make this cleaning process much easier than having a big puddle of mud. What I'm gonna do now is gonna bring the camera over close and show you some kind of close-ups of the inset dirt into this material. The material is very, very dirty in here, some deep stains. Overall, it's not as bad as it looked with all the mud on it though, thankfully. So, first thing we're gonna do, remove the Nike checks. When Velcro is so good, it just pulls right off the Nike check. Need to add some glue to that, maybe get Vic in here to fix that. And then we'll go ahead and pull out the laces. Cactus Jacks are one of the few shoes that Nike is maintaining value on right now, which is interesting. So if you can get a pair, pick them up. They tend to be increasing in value. Fun fact, Travis Scott retailed for $150. Size 10.5 on StockX are going for about $900 depending. So we definitely want to bring these back to life so we can sell them in the store we got opening pretty soon. So I'm gonna do my best job, my best work today. So now that we have all the laces out, we have all the accessories off, we got grills. Make sure Johnny doesn't try to make an actual grill out of this, so keep an eye on that. Next step, we're gonna insert the adjustable shoe tree to size. 10.5 is right about there. Again, when you're inserting the shoe tree, you want it to be snug. You don't want it to be loose and flop around in there, but you also don't want to break the shoe tree. So there's a fine line between how snug and how loose it is. That's the perfect one. 16-ounce bottle of solution that comes in the ultimate kit. It's going to get you a lot of cleanings, a couple squirts there. We also have all 3 brushes. The other brush that's in there is the brass bristle brush that we're not displaying because I don't know if we're going to use it, but that is also in the ultimate kit. First brush we're going to use is a soft bristle brush. Again, this is a canvas material, white at that. It's going to be challenging to clean. So what we're going to do is, again, loosen the dirt as much as possible with this one so we don't affect the material in any negative way. And let's go. Cross your fingers. So now that I've gone over the entire upper with the soft bristle brush, I'm gonna let this kind of penetrate into the material, kind of loosen this dirt. While I'm waiting on that, I'm gonna take the stiff bristle brush and clean this midsole, and then we'll come back to the uppers with the medium bristle. So as you can see, the stitching super stained. That is going to be challenging to get. I will tell you that from previous cleaning experience. That is one of the things that is a little more challenging. But again, the washing machine should help get some of those stains out. So after going over the midsole with the stiff bristle brush, I am going to use the brass bristle brush that comes in the ultimate kit just because it has a finer bristle and it allows me to get in some of these grooves even on this stitching that we have on the midsole. It should help with that as well. Please note, if you do use the brass bristle brush in water and solution, you don't want to use it on suede, so you may need to get 2 of those if you decide to use it for a cleaning purpose. Now that we've gone over the midsole with the brass bristle brush, I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the medium bristle brush for the uppers and the canvas on this Air Force 1. And we'll see, as you can tell after the first pass with the soft bristle brush, they didn't really get very clean. So I'm hoping that this will pull some of these stains out. All right, now that we've cleaned the uppers, I want to get these things in the washing machine as soon as possible. Our patented sneaker laundry system is really what's going to help get this dirt, hopefully, out of the material and get these back into wearable condition. So first thing I need to do is kind of clean off these laces. I'm going to put the shoe tree in the laundry bag like this. I mean, not shoe trees, the actual shoe itself in the laundry bag. Clean these laces up. This is pretty dirty, so let me hit this before we go crazy. Yeah, we got our little cactus jack patch. This should clean up fine. I'm gonna go ahead and throw that in the, let's hit the back a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and throw that in the laundry bag as well. Take these laces. Do the dunk method. I don't like having my hands dirty. I don't know how he does that. Let's put those in there. Cinch the bag down, and then we'll go ahead and put these in the washing machine and see what happens. All right, we're gonna put these in the washing machine, put a little bit of Reshoevn8r Laundry Detergent, use cold water cycle, and we'll be back in about 35-40 minutes.
What's up guys, Reshoevn8r here to remind you to have an exclusive YouTube flash sale of my favorite products. Our 8-ounce bottle solution, Almighty Minko, and our Soul Shields. Use promo code VIXPICS to get 30% off. Don't miss it, sale ends tonight.
How's it going, YouTube? Day 2, not 4, day 2 of the cleaning shoot. I will be honest with you, these things were tough to clean. We probably hit these 3 or 4 times. I had to bring in Vic Almighty to kind of do the finishing touches on it this morning. I was busy for the final clean. They turned out really good. From the B-roll that we're gonna show you in a minute, the close-ups, there is some still slight discoloration and markings from the dirt and stains, but overall they look awesome. Last step, spray a little deodorizer in there. That comes in the ultimate kit. As you can see, the difference, this is a canvas material, so the dirt and mud and just grime just goes into the material and it's really hard to get it out. So, you know, I'm gonna leave Vic with the challenge of cleaning this one so we can sell them in our store that we're opening pretty soon. If you're in the Phoenix area, don't forget to stop by, look us up. That's really gonna be it for this video. Thank you guys for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe. That's gonna be it. Peace.